So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am up with the next question of the top 150 interview questions of LeetCode study plan. Remove duplicates from sorted array. So let's get started with the question. So we are given an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order. Remove the duplicates in place such that each unique element appears only once. The relative order of the elements should be kept same. This is the main point to be noted. And then we are required to return the number of unique elements in nums. So consider the number of unique elements of nums to be k. To get accepted, you need to do the following things. Change the array nums such that the first k elements of nums contain the unique elements in the order they were present in the nums initially, and the remaining elements of nums are not important as well as the size of nums. We are required to return the k. So let's discuss our input. So basically we are given an array nums. Let me take an array nums 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 5. We are required to basically keep the unique elements of the array in the front row. So we can assume that there may be k unique elements in this array and we are required to keep all of them at first. That's what the question demands us to be. But we are not required to actually return this array. We are required to return the length of this array, which is equal to 6. Basically the k, which is equal to 6 according to the question. So let's get started with the question. So let me redraw the array once. It's 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3. Oh, 2, 3 here. Okay. Double 4 and then it's 5. So from this array what we can see, the first unique element that is occurring in this array is 0. The second unique element that's occurring in this array is 1. Third unique element is 2. Fourth unique element is 3. Fifth unique element is 4. And sixth unique element is 5. That's what we can see. And we have to simply return this. So how we will know that this is the second unique element this is the second unique element in our array? So let's discuss about the same. As we know, the element occurring at the first position holds only the same, is the first occurrence of it. So we will simply keep it, keep as it is and proceed to the next element. We will compare this element with the previous one. So 0 is equal to 0. So it means 0 has already occurred. So we will continue. 0 compared with its previous, 0 equal to 0, continue. 0 compared with 1, both of them are unequal. So 1 is the first occurrence after, so this is the second unique element that we have encountered after 0. So we will keep this 1 at the second position, first position, second position, third position, fourth, fifth and sixth. So we will keep this one at the second position. So comparing 1 with 1, both of them are equal. Simply we will ignore it. 2 with, so then we will compare 2 with 1, unequal. So we will keep 2 at the third position because this is the first occurrence of 2 after the 1. So comparing 3 with 2, 3 not equal to 2, we will keep our 3 at 4th position. This is the 4th unique element in our array. Comparing 4 with 3, unequal, so we'll keep 4 at the 5th position in the array. Compare 4 with 4, both of them are equal, simply we'll ignore it. Compare 5 with 4, both of them are unequal, we'll keep 5 at the 6th position in our array. So basically what we are doing in this whole process, we are simply comparing the next element with its previous one. That's all we have to do. And for this, I think we are really good enough to keep 2 pointers. That is I, which will loop through the array, and k, which will keep the count of unique elements that have occurred in the array. That's what we can conclude from this dry run. So let's get started. So let's just start with the same. So I will keep both of my pointers. Let me redraw the array again. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 5. So let's keep 2 pointers I and k. K, which will keep the count of number of unique elements that have occurred. So we will scan with the help of I, we will scan through the whole array, and with the help of k, we will keep the track of number of unique values that have occurred till now. So since 0 is the first, since at 0th index, this is the first occurrence of any of the elements that is occurring, so we will simply keep it as it is and move forward. And then we will compare our second element, that is second element with the first one, and increment and afterwards we'll increment our I and increment our k. So our k is at a position where we will insert our second unique element. So basically we are keeping this space for the second unique element that will occur in the array. So comparing 0 with its previous, both of them are equal, increment our I. Comparing 0 with 0, both of them are equal, increment our I. Comparing 0 with 1, both of them are unequal. So this implies that 1 is the second unique element after 0. So we will simply insert 1 at the kth position and increment our k and I. So this implies that we have got 2 unique elements from the array as of now. So comparing 1 with 1, both of them are equal, ignore it, increment the I. Compare 2 with 1, both of them are unequal, we'll simply insert 2 at kth position and increment our k. So till here it implies that we have got 3 unique elements from our array as of now, and 2 is the third unique element in our array. Increment our I, comparing 3 with 2, both of them are unequal, keep 3 at the kth position, increment our k. And till here we have encountered 4 unique values in our array. Comparing 4 with 3, after incrementing I, both of them are unequal, add 4 at kth index, increment our k and I. And at this point we have encountered 5 unique values in our array. Comparing 4 with 4, both of them are equal, simply ignore it and increment the I. Compare 5 with 4, both of them are unequal, insert 5 at the kth position at the kth index and increment the k. And afterwards since I has reached the length of the array, so we will simply break from the loop, and after incrementing the value of k, we will get the exact length of the k, exact value, which will actually tell us the number of unique values we have encountered in our array, which is 6. So let's just code this problem right now. So let's take a variable n, which will store the size of an array, and then in k, which is initialized to 0, that, and ultimately we have to return this k. So we will start from first index. Let me take k as 1, because at this point, because we already know that the element which is occurring at the 0th index is the first unique element of an array. So that's why I took k as 1, because I know that I am at least having a unique element in our array. So before taking it, let's just check our constraints. So that's right, we can take k as 1, because our num's array length will vary from 1 till 3 into 10 raised to power 4. So it's for sure that we are having all the test cases in our boundary, so we can take k as 1, and we will check it till n and I plus plus. Now we compare our previous element. If nums of I minus 1 not equal to nums of I, we will simply insert our value at nums of k and increment her. So let's just run this code. See, it has passed all the test cases. Let me submit the code right now. I think it's an accepted solution. So I hope guys you have liked my video. If you like my content, please do like and subscribe my channel, and if you feel I miss out something, please do mention it in the comments. It would be very helpful for me to improve. That's all I can expect. Thanks a lot, and keep watching my videos.